folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am in Independence, Wisconsin with my great friend Bill, who is awesome when it comes to the Profab boiler system. So Profab is going to include the Cozeburn and the Empyre line. Profab also fabricated Pelco boilers as well. So he is probably the most knowledgeable person in the industry that I know, specifically when it comes to Profab boilers, but also when it just comes to overall boiler questions.
So I have people take their door, an original door, and cut them off right in here someplace, and have some company just add on same length of this, because
sometimes it rusts out.
The bottom will rust out of these.
Okay.
If you don't keep them clean and dry. And so this is all good, but the ash pan gets bad. We just cut them off here, and then it's just tin or heavy metal or light metal to put through there. It's easier to replace them. You can do that locally. This will eventually wear out. It gets thin back here. This will have to be replaced, but we keep them in stock. It's on the back side here, and the gasket always gets bad here and on the bottom. But if you don't keep these doors clean, I've replaced a lot of them because they get eaten out in here, and the rust eats them through. It'll go right through to the front of the stove, and then you can't stop the air from getting in. Yeah, that's what gets built up back there.
If they don't clean it for 15 years, how sick that's going to be.
They won't make it that long.
It won't make it that long.
No. These clips we keep on hand. These will eventually, on a Cozeburn, these will rust out easier. This is 304 stainless, but the Cozeburn is mild steel. But we can replace these. That's what falls in it. That's why you got to keep this clean. We clean this every month during the winter.
And that's what it looks like when it has not been cleaned.
When it has not been cleaned, yep. And I just push that right back into the stove. There's no sense taking it out of there. Push it right back in the stove, goes out with the ash pan. The later stoves actually got a clip like this on top here where that just hangs on. So I've had a lot of people drop them at a show. Once one hits their toe, does not feel well. Oh, no. This is the rear air fan. This is a plate that goes on there. The solenoid lifts that up, and that's the gasket that I showed you earlier. That's just a different type of gasket, but that's a foam gasket that just keeps the noise from when it shuts. Okay. And it also seals the air tighter. All the fittings on here are brass fittings, nothing to rust or corrode. You either use black fittings here or the brass valves. These can be black fittings. Shouldn't use galvanized because they don't last as long. I like to see either brass or black fittings.
If you guys find these product overviews helpful, if you enjoy seeing this information, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up, you guys. That helps me so much. It keeps me traveling on the road to produce more videos for you guys. Also, do not forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. If you click that little bell there, that'll notify you of all of the latest videos. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.